Class 9th Chemistry Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules. Law of chemical combination. There are mainly two laws of chemical combination: law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportions. Law of conservation of mass. It was discovered by Lavoisier in 1779. It states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. In short, A plus B is equal to C plus D. A plus B are input and A and B are input and C and D are output of the chemical reaction. Second, law of constant proportions. It was discovered by Proust in 1789. It states that the same type of element in all purified samples of chemical compound are combined together in a definite proportion by mass. Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory states that matter is made up of tiny particles known as atoms. Atoms of different elements have different mass and different proportions. Multiple types of atom form a compound. Atoms are indivisible. Atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. This was Dalton's atomic theory, and there are also some demerits to it. There are mainly three demerits. First, atoms are divisible in electron, proton and neutron, but Dalton's theory says that atoms are indivisible. Second, atoms of single element also have different masses known as isotopes, but Dalton's atomic theory says atoms of same element cannot have different masses. 3. Atoms of different elements have same masses known as isobars, but Dalton's atomic theory says that different atoms of different elements cannot have same masses. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element. Its characteristics are: atoms of same element are identical. Each atom has all properties of its element. Atomic mass. Atoms of same element have fixed mass known as atomic mass. Molecule. It's the smallest particle of matter. It is made up of multiple atoms. Ions. Ions are charged particles formed when atom gains or loses electrons. Compound. Compound is formed by chemical combination of multiple chemicals in fixed proportion. Ionic compound. Ionic compound is a chemical bond formed due to exchange of electrons. Molecular compound. Compound whose formula represents its actual number of atoms present are known as molecular compound. Thank you. That's all for this video.